And in this video, I'm going to be gaming on the DV6 for real this time, because I've been wanting to make this video for the past couple years, and this is sort of a fall-themed video, and I'm going to be playing an older version of Minecraft on here, DV6 gaming. And we're just gonna keep it a survival world, and we're just gonna play survival Minecraft. That's what this video is honestly gonna be about, is just us playing survival Minecraft, because, you know, why not? So, my goal for this video is to try and get some materials, maybe build a small house. Like, what is this spawn, man? Is there any land anywhere? Does this laptop always like to shut off on me when using it back in the day? What? Just like that! It just shut off! Did the thing just freaking overheat? Did Minecraft just freaking crash? Okay, what just happened? I didn't do that. Okay, guys, I'm, like, a little freaked out because a horror game popped up on my screen and randomly closed when Wait, did I just freaking uninstall this OS? Okay, I'm out of here. I'm done. Installing Windows 9? Oh, God! We're in hell right now. Power hell! Take away the S from shell and you get... what? Win in it. The file started installing. Don't get a virus. I think I already have gotten a virus, sir. I'm here to take over your computer. Oh, great. I don't know what's going on. Okay, what? In 56 seconds? Your PC's about to... You must answer these security questions. What? It says I'm Is this freaking real? Is it actually gonna freaking... Oh god, I was too late. I think I was too late. It's so... Oh my